of Jubilee. And it has completely revived the spirit of the unity of purpose of Uhuru and Ruto towards the path of national renewal, and has been very evident global leadership. We have all witnessed the world in Geneva giving attention because of the eloquent and spellbinding speech that was delivered by one William Ruto for and on behalf of the people of Africa, and particularly representing the Republic of Kenya. Who doesn't also know the kind of gravitas and unique charisma that President Uhuru has attracted in this region, to the extent of the elderly statesmen of other African states giving attention and easily agreeing on the path that President Uhuru has suggested. This is exactly the dynamic duo that His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mwai Kibaki, meant when he spoke at the inauguration of the Uhuru presidency at Kasarani in 2013. So to anybody who was praying otherwise, the message is clear that the countdown has come, and has come revived. Number 3 is also to insist on the unity of purpose. When they came together, there are people who made statements, and I was very happy that one of those statements was headlined by a prominent media house on a Sunday, and now is viral everywhere, the internet, the social media, because one person and representing a group of other persons prayed that Uhuru and Ruto should be in prison. But you know, in the book of Isaiah, in the Holy Bible, it says that God anaweza kukuinua kutoka chini akupeleke juu. Mungu anaweza kukufunua ukifunikwa na mashetani akuweke glory. Therefore, he can bring you from nothing to something. So from prayers for prison, for them to be prisoned, because God knew the truth, and God is truth, and God is light, and light is God, then they did not go to prison. They went to State House, and that's the reality of today. It's also in the Bible where it is said that when justice is done, the guilty tremor. When justice is done, the guilty are afraid. When justice is done, the innocent are happy. When justice is done, the innocent rejoice. And therefore, what else can be exemplified in the rejoicing and in the happiness from Lamu to Nyeri, from Bomet to Kisumu, from North Horr to Mabasa, from Trans Nzoia to Madera, from Mabasa to Kisii. What else can it be? Therefore, I'm finishing, Bwana Kekesa. Therefore, the song that we have sung before is Never Again. Never Again, 207, 09, post-election or pre-election. And the message that has been given here is that those who are planning. From Kasarani, you saw what happened. You saw what happened, men in black. You saw what happened at ODM headquarters to one Magarel. You have seen what is happening elsewhere. Intolerance and violence. Jubilee is exactly opposite of the machinations and the evil practices of our competitors. And we are proud to say that. And we should not be told that we are condemning people. It's a fact, and people must know who are the preachers of peace and non-violence, and who are orchestrating conspiracies so that there is disharmony and there is anarchy. Number 5, result, is also very important. We have said in Parliament, and people have said in commentaries, exactly about these pseudo-consultancies. The collapse of the case against William Ruto and Joshua Arap Sang yesterday, coming subsequently to the collapse of the other 4 accused, is a loud statement, ladies and gentlemen, that the pseudo-consultancies on ICC in Nairobi must also collapse. They will collapse because they have no job to do. Those who are wasting their intellectual and other mental capacities to consult for ICCs to exploit the suffering of innocent Kenyans must know that they need to look for a job elsewhere because their job has finished. I want to say we are very happy, we are excited, and for my committee, chaired by Morokomen and myself, 16th, Nakuru, here we come. After Nakuru, Kenya, here we come. We shall suffocate and dominate all those who are pretenders to the throne, because indeed the throne of Jubilee is what God has chosen. Thank you very much.